Alright, let's talk about that moment. You've configured your dream Tesla, the excitement is palpable, and that looming question hits you: how exactly do I hand over the final, significant chunk of change? It's not like buying groceries, is it? We're talking about a major financial transaction, and frankly, it can feel a little daunting. You've probably spent hours, maybe even days, researching the car, understanding the tech, and visualizing yourself behind the wheel. But the final payment? That often gets glossed over in excitement. Think about it. You've navigated the online configurator, perhaps even taken a test drive. You've weighed the pros and cons of different models, colors, and options. You've considered the tax incentives, the potential savings on fuel, and the overall impact of switching to electric. You've imagined the smooth acceleration, the futuristic dashboard, and the constant software updates that promise to keep your car evolving. But the money part? That's where things can get a little fuzzy. And it's understandable. We're talking about a substantial sum, a significant investment. You want to make sure you're doing it right, that you're not missing any steps, and that you're maximizing any potential benefits. You don't want any surprises, any delays, or any hiccups that could derail your dream of owning a Tesla. So, let's break down the process, step by step. We'll explore the various payment options, the timelines involved, and the key considerations to keep in mind. We'll demystify the final payment process so you can approach it with confidence and clarity. First, let's address the fundamental question: what are your payment options? Tesla offers a few different avenues, each with its own set of advantages and considerations. 1. Cash/wire transfer. This is the most straightforward option. If you have the funds readily available, you can simply wire the money to Tesla's designated bank account. This eliminates any potential delays associated with financing or other payment methods. Pros: quick, simple, and avoids interest charges. Cons: requires a large sum of cash on hand. The key here is to ensure you obtain the correct wire transfer details directly from Tesla. Don't rely on third-party sources or emails that look suspicious. Contact your Tesla advisor or check your Tesla account for the official instructions. You'll typically need the account number, routing number, and any specific reference or order details. Double-check everything before initiating the transfer. A simple typo can lead to significant headaches. 2. Financing through Tesla. Tesla partners with various financial institutions to offer financing options. This can be a convenient way to spread out the cost of your vehicle over time. Pros: allows you to purchase your Tesla without paying the full amount up front. Cons: involves interest payments and requires credit approval. The process usually starts with pre-approval. You can apply for financing directly through your Tesla account. Tesla will then present you with various loan options, including interest rates and monthly payment amounts. It's crucial to carefully review the terms and conditions before committing to a loan. Pay attention to the interest rate, the loan term, and any potential fees or penalties. Remember, your credit score plays a significant role in determining your eligibility and the interest rate you'll receive. A higher credit score typically translates to lower interest rates and more favorable loan terms. 3. Financing through a third-party lender. You're not limited to Tesla's financing options. You can also secure financing through your bank, credit union, or another financial institution. Pros: allows you to shop around for the best interest rates and loan terms. Cons: requires more legwork and may involve a longer approval process. This option gives you more control over the financing process. You can compare different loan offers and choose the one that best suits your needs. However, it also requires more effort on your part. You'll need to gather the necessary documentation, apply for pre-approval, and negotiate the loan terms. 4. Trade-in. If you're trading in your existing vehicle, the trade-in value can be applied towards your final payment. Pros: reduces the amount you need to pay out of pocket. Cons: the trade-in value may be less than what you could get from a private sale. Tesla offers a trade-in program that allows you to get an estimate for your current vehicle. The trade-in value will be deducted from the total cost of your new Tesla. Be realistic about the trade-in value. While it can reduce the final payment, you might get a better price by selling your car privately. Remember, the final payment is a critical step in the Tesla ownership journey. By understanding your options and following these guidelines, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free transaction. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.